The counting principle occurs when I have some events. I might call one event P, and P is going to be the number in that object, and I might have a separate event called Q, and that would be the number of those objects. And all we do for the formula for this is we just take P and we multiply it by Q. So let's look at an example. Let's suppose I was going to pick out a car, and I could either pick out a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder. It was either a standard transmission or an automatic. And lastly, there were colors blue, green, and red. So if I want to find out all the number of possibilities, I could have picked a 4-cylinder standard blue car. I could have picked a 4-cylinder standard green car, and so forth. It's too difficult to list all these out. We could do it. It would take a while. But instead, we just look at it like this. My first thing I get to pick is if it's a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder. I have two choices. Two that I will multiply in my next event, Q, which is a standard or an automatic transmission. Again, multiplying it by 2. And lastly, there are 3 colors in which I could choose from. So all we do are multiply those. So in all, I would have had 12 different cars that I could have picked that would have come from the 4-cylinder, the automatic, and the color.